welcome to another week of Fribat, Friday Beers and Tools with Andy. This week we have another one of the Bridge Rd Brewers from Beechworth in Victoria, and this is the Beechworth Beachy Summer Ale. It's 4.4% alcohol, 1.2 standard drinks in a stubby. Cheers for Friday. Not bad. Very fruity, very light. What do Bridge Rd Brewers say about it? Bridge Rd Brewers from the town of Beechworth in northeast Victoria produce a brilliant stable of handcrafted boutique beers, including this refreshing yet flavoursome golden ale. Using Australian pale malts and aromatic hop varieties, they have created a brew that is perfect on a summer's eve or equally at home paired with a rich, hearty meal. Normally I'm a fan of summer ales or, sort of pale ales. This one's not quite my cup of tea. No such thing as bad beer, just better beer. It's got a very strange aftertaste. Yeah, I can't say that I'm a fan. Really like some of the other Bridge Rd Brewers beers, as you've seen in my reviews, but this one, no, I don't think I'll be buying that one again. That's probably one of my lowest ranked beers I've ever tasted, actually, on Fribat. That's a 2.5 out of 5 spanners. Pretty average. Alright, let's get on to this week's tool and unboxing. This week we are reviewing a Detroit branded tool, which is from Total Tools, one of the big Australian tool resellers in Australia. This is Detroit, is one of their Chinese brands. This is the Detroit Crossline Laser Level. Part number is DET1H1V. What's in the box? Alright, you get a very nice little bag. In the bag comes some instructions and warranty information. 12-month warranty on this laser. Quite a good little protective foam case for the laser. They are reasonably fragile. That's the unit. Very lightweight. Only weighs 2.1 kilos. That may actually be the whole lot, the whole assembly. Also comes with a mounting bracket. Enables you to mount the laser thusly. And the mounting bracket is able to move up and down. This also has a mount so to put on a tripod. Very handy to have a tripod with this if you're using it outside areas. Has a number of spare spots in the box, which I'm not exactly sure of what they're supposed to go with. It does come with 4 AA batteries. a little bit hard to show you. But we have a cross laser here. It's auto leveling, and if it's not level, the beams will flash. The laser has a pendulum lock on the side, so the laser will flash whenever it's not level. You are able to turn off the horizontal, vertical and horizontal lasers, or have both on. Particularly handy for doing tiling, doing flooring, wall hanging, doors, trims, anything that requires accurate and plumb lines. Very handy little addition to my toolkit. This unit retails at $129. However, this was a run out item at the tool place where I bought it, and I got it for $52, which is a bargain. Very handy little tool, very cheap at $50 odd. There are cheaper versions than $129, so don't pay full price for it. What's my value rating for the Detroit cross level laser? At $52, it is a bargain and 5 out of 5 beers for value. At $129, yeah, probably 3 out of 5. There are cheaper versions or cheaper alternatives on Amazon, eBay, etc. that are probably just as good, probably come from the same Chinese factory. For functionality, it's going to be very handy having a laser level when I start doing my renovations on my house down in Tasmania. So as far as I'm concerned, the assistance that a auto leveling laser will give you over using traditional string lines and spirit levels gives you a massive speed advantage when you're doing jobs like that. And so therefore I think for functionality it's a 5 out of 5 as well. Terrific. Really pleased I bought it. Anyway, that's a quick one for this week. Just a short Friday Beers and Tools. Please subscribe. There's an awful lot of people that are watching that aren't subscribed. It helps the channel out a lot greatly, and we'll continue to try and produce more content. The 200 series, more 200 series content coming, some more quad bike content coming. The weather is slowly improving, well, slowly cooling, I guess you'd say. We are deep in the middle of wet season here in the Northern Territory, so it's very hot working outside. But at least when the rain comes in the afternoon, it does actually cool the place down a little bit. Anyway, that's all for now. Enough of my ramblings. Have a great weekend. See you next week.